Salad is not, but let's cook veggies today. Welcome to my weekly sessions of recipes talking about life and fashion. Today I'm going to prepare cauliflower the way you probably never heard, because I tried this recipe very recently and I must say the cauliflower tastes totally different. I think that's just the way how you cut it. So I got this what is already cutted cauliflower and called cauliflower steaks. We're gonna fry it. Trust me, it's gonna taste delicious. So we're gonna prepare some marinade for the cauliflowers. We're going to need lemon, mustard, and some garlic. I'm gonna start with the garlic. Some mustard, any mustard. Spicy, not spicy, your choice. Lemon juice. Salt and pepper. Gonna mix it all together. I'm gonna add also some olive oil just for the right texture. That's it. We're gonna put on the one side and the other side. Try to put as much sauce as you can because we're gonna fry them in some breadcrumbs, so we need to make sure the breadcrumbs gonna stick to it. And while I'm doing this, I want to discuss some topic recently. I was thinking about how we always talk about now it's protein, take more protein, but I think we're forgetting something, and I think there is a actual fear of carbs. We have a lot of diets that based on excluding carbs from the diet, and I was thinking how it's even possible we don't talk about how important carbs are for our body, for our energy, for our performance. For me, I think it's all about balance. As soon as you have enough protein, enough carbs, enough fats, you're good. But if you try to move and choose any side, I'm only taking protein or I'm only taking fats, I think that's when it's, your body stop working in a balance. Yeah, I don't think it's healthy. The people who don't eat carbs, how do they exist? For me, if I don't have carbs, I don't have energy. I have I'm like this, I don't want to do anything, just laying on the couch. But what's making me want to move my body is the balance of everything in my life. So this is ready. And I'm ready to cover it with the breadcrumbs. Okay. So still, the sauce is very light. It's basically just garlic, some mustard, and olive oil. So it doesn't, and the breadcrumbs. So it doesn't really spike that calories count if you count calories. But it is really tasteful. I think my husband, who really don't like cauliflower that much, when he tried it at the first time, he was like, wow, this is so good. And he now asking me to cook it. It goes very well as a side dish with basically anything. Fish, chicken. Okay, now we send this to the pan, which already overheated. I like my veggies a little bit tender. We're gonna cover it when we cook it, but I will give it 10 minutes, 5 minutes one side, 5 minutes other side. If you like it more soft, then you probably should cook more, 20 minutes maximum. Almost. Okay, so our cauliflower is ready. I'm gonna put it on a plate. You see, I'm doing it for you nicely. Usually I just put it on a plate and do not worry about it. But I'm trying to do it as much nice as I can. Oh, it even look cute. Let me try this. It's hot. That's so good. And I like it. It's crunchy. It's like not overcooked. Mwah. Delicious. Tell me, if you're gonna cook it, please comment. And I wanna hear your honest opinion, but I think this recipe is must have. The hardest part is to cut it as a steaks, but everything else is so easy. It's so quick, like, and you have plate full of vitamins, fiber, everything you need. So follow me on Instagram. I hope you like my recipes, really, because I do it only for you.